Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix long links or URL breaking the mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a link on mobile layout. So this link break mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. So we are going to fix it. You don't see whole link. When you check this text or link in mobile layout, so you can scroll horizontal also mobile screen. Now go to Elementor page. So this is our link. So we added ID text length. So you can add ID in link. Now you see A and then you see ID we added. So you can add ID in your link in Elementor WordPress and then click on publish. After that we are going to add custom CSS to this ID. Now go to customize section. Now paste. Now you see hash, ID, text length, word wrap, break word, overflow wrap anywhere, word break, break all. You will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So just add ID in your link and then paste this CSS and then click on publish. So after that we are going to check it. Now go to page again and refresh the page. So now we are going to expand it. Now you see link. Not breaking the Elementor container layout, mobile layout by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.